Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rushali Dhangare. I have experience working with Linux and DevOps. Now I want to share this knowledge with you in a simple and easy way. This is the first video of my Linux learning series. Together, step by step, we will explore Linux and see how it is used everywhere in technology. Today's topic is Introduction and why Linux. Let me start with a promise. You don't need any prior technical knowledge to begin this journey. I will explain Linux in every simple words with real example and we will move step by step. By the end of this series, you will feel confident using Linux in your studies, project or even your job. So what exactly is Linux? Linux is an operating system just like Windows or Mac OS. But here's the difference. Linux is free, it is open source, and it is super powerful. It runs almost everywhere on servers, laptop, mobile phones, and even supercomputers. In fact, your Android phone is also built on Linux. Now, let's talk about where Linux is actually used. Linux is almost everywhere around us. Big tech companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Netflix run their servers on Linux. In the banking and finance sector, Linux is trusted because it is secure and stable. All the major cloud platforms, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud, are built on Linux. Your Android smartphone is also powered by Linux. The world fastest supercomputer all run on Linux for research, weather forecasting, and artificial intelligence, and even in robotics and space mission. For example, NASA and SpaceX, Linux is used to control critical systems. So, if you look closely, Linux is the backbone of modern technology, silently running the system we use every single day. Now, the big question, why should you learn Linux? First is the career growth. If you dream of working in IT, DevOps, cloud, or cybersecurity, Linux is core skill for IT jobs. For example, most company want engineer who can handle Linux servers because that's where their applications run. Second, open opportunities. More than 90% of world server use Linux. That means if you know Linux, you can work in almost any company in any country. It is like speaking a common language that is used everywhere in technology. Third is control and freedom. In Windows, you only see what the company allows you. But in Linux, you can fully control your system, install what you want, remove what you don't, and even change how it looks or works. It is like having the keys to your own car instead of just being a passenger. Fourth, practical skill. With Linux, you don't just click buttons, you learn command, automation, and scripting. For example, if you can write one small script to back up hundred of files in second, something that would take hours manually. This skill makes you faster, smarter, and more valuable in any tech job. So today we covered a simple introductions to Linux and why it is important. In the next video, we will get into the basics and try our very first Linux command. If you found this helpful, please give a like, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming lesson. Together, we will make Linux easy to learn and fun to use. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.